Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of our Vector Guide. In today's episode, we're going to go over how to use a variety of different freehand study tools, which will help us in identifying market trends and give us an opportunity to better time the market for entries and exits. These tools are useful for traders looking to consolidate their analysis of the market and learn from past market activity. On the right side of the Vector platform, we have a variety of different freehand study tools that we can choose from. For example, we can input trend lines. We can also input channel trend lines. We can go ahead and input rectangles as well as ovals. These freehand study tools are useful in highlighting relevant crypto market activity. We can also access freehand study tools by going to the top of the menu bar under Studies and then select our desired study. If you wanted to remove a study, you basically hover over until the study is highlighted, left click, and then press delete on your keyboard, like so. You can also remove a study by right-clicking on your study and then selecting delete. However, if you have many different study tools on your screen, which are kind of getting in the way of your analysis, we'll go ahead and right-click, go down to Study Options, and then select Delete All Studies. Another neat feature is that you can temporarily exclude your studies on the screen by, again, right-clicking anywhere, going down to Study Options, and then untick Show Studies. To make it reappear, we basically go back under Study Options, and then select Show Studies. Now, if you're afraid that you might accidentally change the positioning of your study, you can go back, right-click on the screen, and under Study Options, select Lock All Studies. Now, if you wanted to change the position of your study manually, we basically hover over our study, right-click, access its properties, and under the Positions tab, we can then manually change the price, the date, and the time of our study. Then click Apply, and then OK. This even applies even if your study is locked. As aforementioned, the rectangle shape, for example, is used to show a sideways market or a consolidation zone. So by hovering over and right-clicking, we can access its properties. And here, we can actually change the style of the line. So let's go ahead and change it to the dotted line here. We'll change the color to blue. We'll increase the thickness. And here, we can actually fill in the box with a specific color. We take off the background, and then let's select fuchsia, for example. Click Apply, and then OK. Moreover, the oval shape can be used to indicate tops and bottoms of a market. By hovering over again, right-clicking, and accessing its properties, we'll do the same thing. So let's change the style of the line, change the color, we'll increase the thickness, and we'll fill it in. So let's select teal. Click Apply. But now we're actually going to go to the visibility by layout. And here we can actually include or exclude which layout we want our study to appear in. So let's go ahead and untick layout 2, for example. We'll click Apply and OK. We'll then go to layout 2, and you'll notice that the study does not appear. Another really cool feature of the Vector platform is the ability to add text onto your screen. We do this by clicking off this T icon here, and then clicking on the screen where we'd like to add our desired text. So let's go ahead and add it beside our oval shape, for example. Go ahead and type top of a market movement. Then we'd hover over. We can also right-click to access its properties. Here we can change the text, change the background color. So let's go ahead and change it to, let's say, green. Here we can change the font. So let's go ahead and change it to Times New Roman. We'll change the style to italic, and the size to 16. Then click apply and OK. Now let's say you like to add arrows onto your screen all the time, but it's a bit tiresome to hover over and click on the arrow here and then add it manually to your screen. Now a quick option would be under the Tools menu bar. We go to the Hotkey Manager, and under Studies, you'd find our arrow study. We go to Edit Shortcut, and then we would select our shortcut key. So let's go ahead and put in F3, for example. We'll click OK. OK once more. So in order to activate our arrow, we would hold down the F3 key, hold down the left click button to activate, drag it and keep holding, and then release to let go to finalize your arrow. Let's practice that again. So basically hold down the F3 key, left click, drag out, and release. Now another thing to keep in mind is that if I wanted to, for example, fill in my channel trend line, I can do so without having an obstructed vision of this consolidation zone. So basically, by hovering over and right-clicking, selecting channel properties, go to fill, take this button, and we'll go ahead and fill it with the cream color, click apply, and then OK. And as you can see here, we can differentiate between our two studies. Well, that's a wrap. So thanks again for watching this video on how to maximize your reading of the charts using freehand study tools on the Vector platform. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, subscribe to our channel, and activate notifications to receive more useful content and trading tips when using the Vector platform. We'll see you soon.